Hey guys, you're watching Dansky, the place to be to develop your creative skills, and in this super quick 2-minute tutorial, I'm going to show you how to quickly round off corners in Adobe InDesign. Now, I know we've done this in Photoshop, Illustrator, XD quite a few times now, but the process in InDesign, it's a little bit different. So I'm going to show you that right now. So you can see I'm in InDesign now. I've created a new document, and I'm going to grab the rectangle tool, click and drag anywhere on the page to draw a four-sided shape. And if I just thicken up this stroke here from the properties panel, and with my shape selected, I'm going to go up to object down to corner options. And you'll see this box pop up. Just make sure preview is checked. And you can see here, each of these boxes has a number in it. And we have an icon with a little blue box that represents which corner radius we're going to be changing. So by default, this is all linked together, so I can increase the number. Nothing happens because we have to pick a style that isn't squared off. So we could go for fancy, and you can see we can increase the corner size. We're gonna go with rounded, but you've got lots here you could have fun playing around with, but there's rounded, and we can increase this just by clicking the number, or you can click in the box and use the up and down arrow keys to quickly and easily change that value. Now, something else we can do is we can unlink all of these boxes, and we can actually adjust all of these independently. So if you wanted to round off the bottom left and top right corners, for example, and have something like this, you can do that, that's absolutely fine. And then if we select this again, you can see here it's listed under the appearance part of the contextual properties panel, corner. We can load this back up, and we can just fully round this off even more. So let's go for like 60, press return, and there we go. That's how to round off corners all in Adobe InDesign. So guys, I really hope you enjoyed this super quick tutorial. If you've got any questions or comments, you know what to do, drop those down below. But as always, like this video if you enjoyed it. Take care, see you next time.